$1 to $10 per click or per tap on your phone. That's right. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $1 to $10 per click you send to this brand new system. Now it's free to join, you can start with free tools, you don't have to invest anything in this, and it's absolutely amazing. You can make some extra money on the site, and I will show you everything there is to know about it, and even 3 different traffic sources you can get the clicks from. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm uploading a video to this channel, I'm giving away $10. If you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the $10 to. And I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home. The second is my secret system. Check everything else out as well. And right now, let me share my screen for you guys and let's jump into it. How to earn $1 to $10 per click or tap straight to your bank account. So the website that we are going to use is actually a website selling different courses, okay? And right here on top we have different classes. So as you can see, we got photo and video, money and life, art and design, craft and maker, and music and audio. So they have a number of different courses, pretty amazing courses by the way, that you can just recommend to people, and if someone just clicks, you make $1 to $10, and then if they buy, you make even more money as an affiliate. Okay, so you can just go through all of these categories. They have amazing courses. Now one course that I found is this one right here, how to start a podcast. So they have this podcasting category, and as you can see, they have different courses. You know, this one is for $39, $39 as well, $23, $39, $23, etc. So a part of making money per click or per tap, you are actually making a percentage of whatever you are going to sell. Okay, so going back to the main site, if you were going to go all the way to the bottom and click on become an affiliate, this will bring up this page, and you're gonna have to sign up for the affiliate program. Now, as you can see, you're gonna get 20% revenue share for new customer sales. You're gonna get 10% revenue share for a return customer. So even if someone will just sign up today, they will buy something today, you're making 20%. If they are buying something a month from now, you're still getting 10% with no work whatsoever. So that's passive income. You're gonna get $1 for every new registration sign up, and $10 for each referred affiliate. So this is pretty amazing. People don't even have to buy anything. Even if they're just going to sign up for the website, you're making $1. If you're going to sign up an affiliate, you're making $10 per click, all right? As you can see, you can track it. So you're gonna see the leads and sales you generate in real time, track your performance with advanced reporting tools, and you can earn more. Their average order sizes are over $100. You're gonna earn commissions on all purchases, referred customers within 30 days of the original click. So pretty amazing. All you're gonna do is click right here on sign up. That will bring up this page right here. You will have to sign up for Share a Sale, which is the platform that this website is using. Okay. Now, as you can see, you have the highlights of the affiliate program. You have 25% commissions on new customer purchases, 10% commissions on return customer purchases, $1 lead payout for every new member, 30 days tracking cookie, large selection of text links and banners. You got newsletters with program updates, etc. And how you are going to get paid? Well, I found this site right here. As you can see, Share a Sale will actually pay you out via bank transfer or via check. Totally up to you, but once the commissions are in your account, you're gonna have to have a minimum of $50. Then you can just pay this out directly to your bank account, or you can just get a check from them. So pretty cool. And the website that makes all of this possible is creativelive.com. So again, you can go ahead, check out all of the categories, sign up as an affiliate, and right now I'm going to show you how you can actually get the clicks. Okay, there's a number of different things that you can do, but the number thing that I would do is I would just go to Facebook. Now, Facebook is an amazing platform because they have Facebook groups, obviously. So going back with the podcasting example, I would just go and search for podcasting groups right here on Facebook. I would join these groups, maybe even start your own group. I would just interact with people. I would say, listen guys, I found this amazing podcasting course. I just went through it. It's absolutely amazing, and here is the link. By the way, you can sign up for free, and you don't even need to buy it. If someone just signs up, you make $1. If they make a purchase, you're making 20%. So this is 100% genuine. You don't have to actually convince anyone to actually make the sale, so you don't seem very, very pushy. So just go to Facebook, and going back to the categories, you have a number of different categories. The same goes for photo and video courses, business courses, art and design courses, crafts courses. So all of these categories, all of these groups, free groups, are on Facebook, and you can get free traffic from these groups from Facebook. And again, the cool thing is that you don't have to sell anything. If a person just signs up, you will make $1, okay, and $10 if they are an affiliate, okay. So Facebook groups, that's definitely the number one traffic source that I would recommend. Another is Twitter. So on Twitter, you'll find a variety of different people interested in a number of different things, okay. So we're gonna search Twitter. We can do a little search like, how do I start a podcast? And you'll find people just asking questions. This guy says, how do I start a podcast? What do I need to do? You can just answer this guy, reply with a tweet from your own account and say, listen, check this out, it's free to join. You can sign up for free, you can buy the course, whatever it is, but you can just go through all of these tweets and just reply to every single one, and just give them your link. If they sign up, you make $1, up to $10, and that's the easiest cash that you'll ever make online. And again, the same goes for any other category. So how do I start a podcast? How do I learn Photoshop? How do I start with arts and crafts, or whatever the course is that you're promoting? Okay, so Twitter, that's the number 2 tool. And the number 3 tool is obviously YouTube. Now, obviously, you're gonna have to create a video, so not everyone is comfortable and up to a task of creating a video. But if you can just create a simple video, like filming yourself on your mobile, or doing like a screen share, then what I would recommend you do is just find successful videos. Okay, so I typed in how to start a podcast. We got this video on top. So how to start a podcast 2019 tutorial, equipment and software. What I would do is I would just go through this video, create a similar video, and use the same exact title, description, and tags. I mean, when it comes to the description, you can just rewrite it in your own words, but use the same title and the same tags. How do you check the tags? You need a cool tool called VidIQ. It's free to use. You have a link in the description of this video. So just clicking on this video right here, as you can see, I'm using VidIQ right here on the right side, and it gives me all the information. So it gives me all the video tags. So all I have to do is just click right here, copy text to clipboard, and I can copy all of the tags from any video. So VidIQ, if you're trying to do anything on YouTube, this is a must-have tool. And again, the link is in the description down below, and you can use it for free as well. So I would just create a similar video, maybe a more in-depth video, like maybe something with your own perspective. And what will happen is that if you'll do everything right, if you're gonna have the right thumbnail, if you're gonna have the right watch time, you will actually end up in the suggested videos right here up next on the right side. Okay, so I'm not going to go deep into this subject. Obviously, this is a subject for a full few hour long video, but that's essentially what you have to do. Record a similar video, use the same title, more or less the same description, use the same tags, and if your video will be good enough, you will end up right here, which means that you will just essentially piggyback off of someone else's already successful videos, and you can get tons of views like this, thousands of views. And obviously not everyone will sign up through your link, but let's say 10% will sign up. That's 100 people. That's $100 if you're making $1 per lead, maybe 10% will make a purchase. So if 10% will make actually a purchase, you're making 20% commission. And you know, that's the amazing thing about becoming an affiliate right here. So you know, we get the 20% revenue, $1 per sign up, and $10 for each referred affiliate. So you can make a ton of cash this way. All you need is just keep on generating these clicks and these taps. All right, so that's my video for you today, guys. And before we go, let's just jump in and see who won the $10 giveaway from my previous video. And my previous video is this one right here, how to make $5 per message you send worldwide via PayPal. You can check this video out. I'm going to link it in the iCard right now. And let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let me paste it in and let's see how many comments we have. We have 20 comments, and right now let's start the raffle and let's pick a random winner. Okay, we get Rema Nzilani. Good content, I just watched, subscribed and click on the bell and commented, I hope I win. I also noticed more people not follow the rules to win. So as a new subscriber, instead of using the random picker of choosing jokers who not to follow, kindly go through the comments. All right, I picked you with the YouTube random comment picker anyway, so I got your email right here. So what I'm going to do is send you $10 right now. Congratulations. And if you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the $10 to. Okay, so as you are seeing, I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. Again, congratulations. Do these 4 things if you want to win $10 right now. And don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the top link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home. The second link is my secret formula, and the third link is actually my coaching. If you want me to coach you, I can do that in my membership coaching group. So check out all the links, and I will be seeing you very shortly in the next video. And don't forget to check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos about making money online and working from home. See you in the next one. Ciao.